Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my bouillon the Haitian way. So I have the meat already washed it, put some vinegar, and then I have some garlic. I added a little bit of my spices. That's a jerk spices because I like my bouillon to be spicy, and I'm adding my all-purpose um, spice right now. Then I'm going to add some tomato. This is tomatoes from my garden. So what I do, I just dice them and keep them in the freezer so that way I can use them um, later. So I'm gonna let this cook, and I'm going to add shallots. I'm not even going to bother dicing it because this is going to cook so long that everything is going to fall apart. I love thyme, so I'm adding some thyme and some pepper, very spicy, and this is some celery. So all of that is going to cook in there. Right, so while the meat is cooking, I'm getting some moringa leaves for the bouillon. This is very, very, very healthy. You know, you're talking about like people are saying kale is healthy. This is like 10 or 100 times healthier. I got some lime leaves from the garden and some moringa and some limes. So I'm going to rinse them and put them in the meat while it's cooking. It smells so delicious already. Now I'm gonna add the vegetables. So I have a mixture of spinach and oh no, I'm gonna add first the plantain and potatoes because my people, they prefer to eat boy. So I have very little amount of those potatoes. You know, my husband like some potatoes, so I put a little bit of potatoes, but we prefer the boy. You know, the one that I'm going to make. It's a dough with flour, salt, and water. Then I'll be putting more of that. So now I'm going to add the spinach and moringa. And it's not just the leaves. You can use the stems as well. They have a lot of nutrients that are good for your body. Then I'm going to squeeze some lime juice. That's the one I just picked up from my garden. It's so juicy, and it's just like one slice. Then I'm going to add some sour orange. Make sure you get a good quality sour orange. Now I'm making the boy. So you want to use some flour and add a little bit of water because you want it to be a dough. You know, it shouldn't be liquid. It's like a Play-Doh. That's the same consistency that you want. Alright, so guys, it's very easy for it to come out. You just pour. And then we have some malanga. I'm gonna rinse this. That's what malanga looks like. Hey guys, after I peel this ugly looking thing, this is it. So I'm going to add, now everything is cooking up. I just added the malanga, and then I'm going to add some water. So you can add beef stock or chicken stock, but unless I make my own chicken stock, I don't like to buy boxed chicken stock. So I just use water. And you want to add a little bit of salt because whenever you add water, you don't want to add too much salt, but you want to balance it out. Okay, so then I'm going to mix this. And then what I don't like to do is mix too much. I like to leave the meat at the bottom. So when I'm mixing it, it's basically the top part that I'm mixing. And as you can see, this is like moringa flour. All of this is just amazing. After you drink a bowl of this bouillon, you just go right to sleep. And it's because your body is like thinking, it's a body's just, you guys need to eat well. So now you want the dough to be like this. Okay. So my daughter is going to demonstrate how she rolls it. Come on, Mama, you washed your hands already. Let's put it here. I'm gonna roll this one. This is quite big. Let's use something smaller. Let's use this smaller piece. So you basically roll it like that. Beautiful job. Look at my Chef Annie in the kitchen. She does a beautiful job all the time since she was 2 years old. Beautiful. So you're gonna keep doing those, and then I'm going to check on the bouillon. So I'm going to put them aside. That way I add all of them together. You don't want to be, some of them are undercooked. So it's best to add all of them at the same time. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Yes, Chef.
Beautiful. Are you having fun?
Yes, Mommy.
I love being with my daughter in the kitchen. It's just amazing, and that's the best way to teach them early. She was 2 years old and making omelet. The boy, and now I'm going to add the carrots. Now I'm going to cover it up and let everything cook. Then once it's add some green beans too, organic green beans that I keep in that I boiled yesterday. I keep it in the fridge. Hey guys, the bouillon is ready. The meat, well cooked. It's very, it's thick from the malanga. So I blended the malanga and put it in there. So look at all those beautiful colors: red, green, orange, yellow. I'm going to enjoy a nice bowl. Guys, this is the final stage of the bouillon. This is amazing. You can see the moringa. This is the meat is delicious. Oh my gosh, the pepper. Amazing. And I have my boy here. So good.